Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So just to do that, we should press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that you'll see here the bell icon. Just click twice on the bell icon and now we can see the message that notifications and calls will be muted. This means that the silent mode is activated successfully. And if you want to turn it off, you should click here once again, press once again power the volume button, one from the volume buttons, and click only once on this bell icon, and now we can see that all of the calls and notifications, they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.